it's Miss Mary with the Faulkner County Library here again with another Storytime to Go unboxing. This time we are going to unbox one of our Bob Book Storytime to Go kits. This one is kindergarten and first grade. Okay, here is the Bob Books Kindergarten and First Grade Storytime to Go kit. We are so excited about this. In the past, I've had a lot of people ask about Bob Books, but they're kind of hard to circulate at a library. So let's see what's in here. Of course, we've got our handy dandy inventory sheet. And let's see. Oh, here's a cute little book, Alligator Alphabet. And one of our favorites, the Elemento piece. And let's see here. Here is the Sight Words collection for kindergarten and first grade from Bob Books. So if you open this up, you will see that there is a parent guide in the very back. But then there are, this one also has flashcards in the back. Sorry, just kind of jumped right out of my hand there. Laminated for you to use at home. Let me stick that parent guide back in there. But you'll see it tells you Sight Words Book 1. There's Matt Hid, Hop, the Jet, Who, the Trip, Little Bug, Play Ball. And if I remember correctly, there are lots of books here. There are 20 Bob books in this kit. So I'm going to put them back in this handy dandy box that they come in. Well, in theory, I'm going to get them back in. I promise they do fit. Aha. There we go. I did it. I got them back in. We also have a really handy dandy learning to sequence kit here. And if you aren't familiar with sequence cards, I'm going to open this up and show you. You can tell 12 different stories in here. Don't you love how new boxes, they just like to stick together? Again, we include instructions. So here is one. These are also color-coded. So you put these out and then you talk about the pictures and you decide what order the pictures go in. So I might say, oh, look, she's picking out some construction paper. Maybe that's first. Maybe this is second. It looks like she's cutting out the construction paper. I think she's gluing on this one. Oh, and look, I think that she made this Valentine to give to her friend for the end. So lots of rich language learning opportunities here. And there are a couple more things in our kit. Let me pull those out. Let's see. Oh, this is a Monster Flips alphabet game from Junior Learning. This one's targeted for ages 4 and up. It's got some directions on how to play and involves some sight word recognition here. So that looks like so much fun. I had fun making some silly monsters when I first looked at it. And then last but not least in our Bob Books Kindergarten and First Grade Storytime to Go kit is Big Bear's Arkansas ABCs, which is so much fun. Look at this. Oh, up in the Ozarks every year, the Osage hunted bear and deer down along the Ouachita oil well stand where Tunica once lived on the land. Adorable book. And that's what's in our Bob Books Kindergarten and First Grade Storytime to Go kit.